Bluehost is one of the biggest web hosting companies in the world and an official WordPress recommended hosting provider. Bluehost offers a wide variety of hosting plans for beginners to larger businesses with a 24/7 customer support. Watch the complete Bluehost review by our experts to find out if Bluehost is the right choice for you. Don't want to watch full review? Let us give it to you straight. In our Bluehost review, we found them to be reliable, fast, and affordable with friendly 24/7 customer support. That's why we've chosen to recommend Bluehost as one of the best WordPress hosting companies. Check out the description for coupon codes. Now let's dive into our detailed Bluehost review so that you can decide for yourself. About Bluehost. First, let's take a look at the company itself. Bluehost started in 1996 and steadily grew to become one of the largest web hosting companies in the world. It now powers more than 2 million websites from all over the world. Bluehost has a long-standing relationship with the WordPress community. They are an official WordPress recommended hosting company since 2006. They pride themselves in their 24/7 customer support, great hosting infrastructure, and support for the free open-source software like WordPress. Pros and cons of Bluehost. All web hosting companies have their pros and cons. Some you can live with, and some you cannot ignore. Here are the pros and cons of Bluehost that we learned. Pros. First, let's take a look at the advantages that make Bluehost the top choice. Pricing. Their hosting plans are well within the reach of most users, particularly those who are just starting out. Reliability. They power a large number of websites with minimum downtime. No hidden charges. There are no hidden fees when signing up for your account. Free domain. You get a free domain name for 1 year when you sign up. Cons. Bluehost is not without some disadvantages that you should be aware of before signing up. Higher domain renewal price. Their free domain renewal price is higher than average. Upselling add-ons. They have an aggressive upsell process during sign-up. But you can easily uncheck all the add-ons if you don't need them. Bluehost hosting plans and features. Bluehost offers a variety of hosting plans for all budgets and sizes. This includes shared hosting, VPS, dedicated server, cloud hosting, WooCommerce hosting, WordPress hosting, and more. Let's take a look at Bluehost hosting plans and their features. Shared hosting. Shared hosting is the perfect way to start a new website with low traffic volume. In a shared hosting environment, your website shares server resources with other websites. Cloud hosting, a more reliable upgrade to the shared hosting plan. It allows you to utilize multiple cloud servers, allowing your website to automatically switch to a different server in case of a hardware failure or high traffic. WordPress hosting, a hosting package designed specifically for WordPress-powered websites. It is optimized to run WordPress and can even protect your WordPress site against common threats. WooCommerce hosting. WooCommerce is the most popular e-commerce plugin for WordPress. It allows you to easily start an online store with WordPress. WooCommerce hosting offers you all the essential features to kickstart your e-commerce store. VPS or virtual private server hosting, an upgrade to shared WordPress hosting. VPS hosting allows you to virtual dedicated resources in a shared environment. Dedicated server hosting. A dedicated server for your website means you will have all the resources of the server to yourself. The downside is that you will have to manage the server on your own. All Bluehost hosting plans allow you to install WordPress with one click. All plans come with an easy-to-use hosting control panel where you can manage your hosting, create databases, etc. Conclusion. Is Bluehost the right choice for you? After watching this review video, you might be wondering if Bluehost is the right choice for your website. Bluehost is often ranked #1 hosting company by many websites. They offer a wide range of hosting plans with tons of features that help you easily build your website. All their hosting plans include expert 24/7 customer support from knowledgeable staff. Most importantly, they offer affordable starter plans that fit any budget requirement. If you are just starting out, then you cannot go wrong signing up for a Bluehost shared hosting plan. It's easy on your pocket, and comes with all the right tools. As your site grows, you can easily upgrade your hosting plan accordingly. Thanks for watching. To get a huge discount, use the link in the description. Have a nice day.